nice pants.
Oh boy. It's always tough to put gloves on when you're sweating tits. Alright. Time to ride motorcycles. Alright, boys and girls, after months of anticipation, and in Kayla's case, a year of anticipation, we have finally returned to my favorite area in the United States of America, and that is the great state of Tennessee, more specifically, East Tennessee. So what we've decided to do on our first day here is make a trip through the Devil's Triangle. It's something that Ryan, Dave, and myself did when we were here back in May. And Kayla is going to throw her hat in the ring and giving it a try as well. We figured we would do this first because last night we stayed in Knoxville, and where we're going to be staying on Route 129 in Maryville, you actually have to go through Knoxville to get to the Devil's Triangle, so we figured we'd knock this out of the way first, since we're already here. So while we're down here, it's actually supposed to rain like every single day, but being that we are in the mountains, 100% chance of rain usually dwindles down to like 50%. So we're trying to stay a little optimistic, but I think we're going to buy some rain gear just in case, because I didn't come all the way down here just to sit in a hotel room. So whether it is raining and whether Kayla wants to or not, I'm probably still going to be hitting the streets, whether they are wet or dry, right?
This depends how much rain. Like, I don't want to go out if it's like downpouring.
Yeah, but I mean, like, track day, I'm definitely fine with that.
It's just hard for me because my shield fogs, like, doesn't fog up, but once I get so much water on it, it's hard to see, so then I have to open my shield.
We all deal with that, dear.
Oh, but you don't have glasses.
I don't have glasses.
That then get covered.
2 hours later.
Alright, so I know this is like a weird cut, but for some reason, my actual, like, GoPro batteries, they don't last as long as these, like, Chinese copycats, which is really weird, right? You would think that the GoPro brand battery would last longer than, like, the Chinese copycat one. But not true, they don't. But anyway, Kayla just rode the Devil's Triangle, which is up that way, and just pulled over here to change my battery so I could deliver this awesome message that everybody probably cares about. Handled it like a boss.
Just like I'm going to do to the dragon tonight, because I got to do my goal.
What's the goal?
Dragon pass a day. What?
None.
That's a good goal for somebody that only did it once. And not even one full pass. It was one down through, from the back end to the beginning.
That's right.
Like, I started at Pumpkin Center, and then I went to Boco.
Alright, so we're gonna head now to the road that I've never been on.
I thought we already did it, and it was that dirt road.
We're pretty much done with the triangle. The triangle's done now.
So where are we going?
Back to the hotel.
It's not the route you and Dave and I took?
I'll let you know, but I think I would remember this road. It's short. It doesn't look like it's long. Alright, onward. Alden Ridge. Watch it be a fucking seasonal road.
Kinda looking it. I'm like 25, so... Jesus Christ, John. What the fuck? Babe, what is this? Jesus, Jiminy Cricket.
Yeah, through the mountains.
We're not on enduros.
Uh-oh. Oh, no!
Yep, not doing it.
Oh, it turns into stone. Oh, that's a bummer. Oh, that was fun.
Well, everybody, my husband thinks we're on enduros. Likes to pick seasonal roads.
If we were on enduros, we would have to take that.
He also thinks he's in the circus and going down the hill. We're not on a tightrope. We're on motorcycles. Thanks for the tour of your creepy road.
I guess today, being the first day that we're down here, is, we just did Devil's Triangle. We're going to be going to Steele's Gap later, maybe making a Dragon Pass, maybe hitting up Fontana Dam. Who knows?
Not maybe. Kayla's making a Dragon Pass today.
Alright, so it looks like we're making a Dragon Pass later.
Later.
Alright, children, this is the famous Steele's Gap Motorcycle Resort here in Poco, North Kakalaki.
Oh, I don't like going up hills. Well, you can't stop, son. Now I'm gonna stall.
There are people crossing. I ain't gonna hit them.
You could have.
Okay. Alright, boys and girls, Kayla's first Dragon Pass of 2018.
And she's never gone this way before. There he goes. This is the last time you'll see him in my video.
No.
Next 11 miles. High crash area. Not this girl. She's a pro.
That's right.
At her own speed. Just stay in your lane, ride your line, and have fun. I made it a mile, y'all.
Oh man, I love this. Love this. Dog.
Secretly, me too.
Yeah.
Not so secret because I just told you. Oh, that's why we're fucking going slow.
Told you.
See, ladies and gentlemen, this is only my second time through the Dragon. Mind you, I've been riding a little over a year, and we're catching up to these Harleys.
Harley riders can't ride, man. They can ride in straight lines. They can ride.
Can't turn. I ain't the one pulling over this time.
Thing is, I can't say Harley riders as a whole. When I say this, I mean a lot of Harley riders. I don't mean all Harley riders, but a lot of Harley riders say, oh man, I've been riding for 30, 40 years. I don't care, man. You can freaking drive a car. It doesn't mean you're good at it. You know, like, this is like a prime example. Like, you go 10 miles an hour around a corner and then freaking gun it in the straight and then slam on your brake, take the next corner at 10 miles an hour, they're pulling over.
Oh, good. Oh, I definitely put a lot of pressure on my hands. They hurt.
That's not good.
I know.
You gotta be loose on the upper body.
This is so nice. Like, nobody's behind me.
Yeah, it's real nice, man. It's like this is surprising, man.
This is like for a weekday.
Guys, just so you know, like, if you're ever down to, like, East Tennessee and you decide to ride the tail of the Dragon, a good, sound piece of advice is to typically avoid it on the weekends because it's very busy. Usually, typically, but, like, today's Saturday, it's 5:28 in the afternoon, and, like, we haven't come across really anybody. Nobody's come up behind us.
Doesn't give me too much pressure.
We are at the lookout. Everybody loves to get pictures here, rightfully so. Look at that. Look at that shot, man. Oh, the Martins. Good first pass.
Not done yet. Got a GoPro on his helmet.
Yeah.
You want to go the opposite of where they go?
Depends if we leave first. Oh, good for her, man. Being on that Busa. Oh, yeah, get a boy. Little Ninja 250. I finally caught up with it. Yes! He got his 250 up. That was awesome. I hope my camera caught that. Yo.
It's mine, you can't.
Man, I've tried every trick in the book to get her front wheel up.